Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a bit of a plan with me. I am using the Galaxy 3 kit, I think it was. Yes, definitely Galaxy 3. I had to check because I thought it was Galaxy 4, but that was completely different. So I am just trying to catch up on some planner spreads. I think this one is a February spread, March spread. Don't know what happened to all my other videos, but I will put them out when I find them. I need to start putting up my little monthly little parts on the top above the full box there, because otherwise I'm going to forget. So let's jump straight on in because we are raring and ready to go. Monday I usually have a coffee first. I got some Happy Mail. I can't remember what kind of Happy Mail it was, but might have been stickers or something. I really can't remember, to be honest. This was actually filmed in 2025, so yay, we're just going to smash through it. Anyway, so I got some Happy Mail, decided to tidy my office. My office needs a tidy now. If you guys can see it, you would be like, holy hell, I have so much stuff. I got an Etsy order. I love when I get Etsy orders, I try and mark them down. And then I decided to play one of my games. Don't know what game it was probably that like farming type game. I can't think of it, but I know it. I think I was on like level 60 or something, but I haven't played in a while. And then I decided to film some plan with me's and catch up spreads. Yeah, that's what I wrote there anyway. On Tuesday I did some emails. I've got a ton of emails to do still anyway, but that's fine. I did a bulk design sesh. That's kind of awkward to get out, but I did that. By the way, I've got the fan on, so if that annoys you, then oh well. It is really, really hot here. And then I got another order. Super exciting. I love when I get orders. If you guys want to make me super duper excited, then please place an order. It is like my favorite thing ever. Okay, so I then decided to watch some Plan With Me catch-ups. What I usually do is I will just basically add everything to the watch later list, and then I will go through and see what I want to watch before bed or something, or as I'm filming or something. So I usually do voiceovers because I find that to be easiest. Probably whilst I was doing that, watching, I drew some characters like I normally do, just grab some designs and things and just think of things that come to mind that I would use that you guys might like as well. And then I did some dishes, but I probably did the dishes before everything else, but it was just how it was in the planner, so it doesn't matter. Well, not in the planner, but in the sticker storage. So on to Wednesday, I got another order. Yippee-yay, I love that. Goodness me. And then it was bins out. Probably had to empty my office bin. I did just take out some scrap paper and stuff, but I'm probably going to have to do it again. That's fine. I then drew some characters and icons. Also, by the way, the pen that I'm using for this one is a Sharpie S gel pen. It's in black. It's a 0.7. Actually, I don't mind it. Some of it I don't mind, but some of it I'm like, I might try and do something a little bit different for the following week. We will see. We will see. Okay, so let us see. What are we doing? I think I'm looking for a sticker. I think I'm looking for like a bed sticker or something. I'm kind of half sharing with you my little journal. We will see. Can't even see. Anyway, but I drew some characters and icons. I filmed a Plan With Me. I played one of my pardon me, sorry. I played one of my games. And then I had a super late night. It's kind of awkward because I did just use a blue bed, and now I'm using a blue bed for Thursday, but I had to sleep in because I was up super late. I did some laundry, and then I did a bit of a drawer sesh. Sometimes I like to do that. Then I needed energy, so I had an energy drink. I did an Instagram scroll as well. And then I played my game pretty much all night. Like, not literally all night, but most of the night. So by Friday, I was super tired, but it does say that anyway. I'm thinking of also going through and redoing some of my kits as well. There's quite a few things that I need to redo, so that's what the plan will be. So yeah, as I find my little stickers, I was super tired. I'm pretty tired right now anyway. I'm just going to have a bit of a drink. I decided to fold and put away my washing. It seemed it was dry. I thought may as well whilst it's done. And then I decided to design some kits. I really need to design another kit, but I've been printing and cutting like crazy. So there is another kit that I really want to bring out with some new stuff, so I'm pretty excited for that. And then I did some gaming. Now for this next part, there are a couple of things which I didn't fill out. One of them being the book. I can't remember which book it was, but I'm going to have to go back through and see if I can figure out what book it was. I remember the gist of it, but I can't remember what the book was, so I'll have to figure that out. Saturday I had a sleep-in, needed my coffee for the day, so I had that. And then I decided to design some kits, some foil things, and some characters. So that doesn't necessarily mean like drawing, it just means just designing. And then I decided to draw some characters later on. I don't know if I do move this up, sometimes I don't. I then was reading again. I don't know what book it was, but I did decide to do a bit of reading. I do move it up actually. And then I finished the night with some Wentworth. And then on Sunday I had a coffee just to start the day again. Sundays I actually really don't like Sundays. They are super duper long and it's just super chaotic, and I'm just like not about the Sunday life. Sundays are for resting, to be honest. Anyway, and then I honestly have no idea what I'm doing here. I probably should have gone through and cut it, but oops, I didn't. So yeah, I had my coffee, and then I did some dishes. I decided to give the cats a cuddle, probably because I had a really tough day. Sometimes when I have a really bad day, I go and give my cats a cuddle, and sometimes I will cry into my cats. I really don't know what I was doing there, but anyway. So yeah, it's been quite tough to say the least. Yeah, when I get to that part, I will explain what I mean, which means it'll be later on after all these spreads. So yeah, and then I decided to do a bit of an Instagram scroll, and then I had a late night. The only thing that I didn't really do on this was I didn't really put any foil down. I feel like I didn't need it. I mean, I probably did, but I just couldn't even care for it. I mean, I did love the week, a few weeks before that though, where I did do a bit of foil. But yeah. So I'm slowly smashing out all the spreads, which I'm super excited for. I actually don't end up sharing with you what I have left because I forgot where I put it, and then I found it and I'm like, oh, that'll do. Yeah, I'm just going to pop in that I had a late night. I think I was looking for like a pillow or something. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to put them down below. You guys can see all my little spreads here, so cute. And I'm just going to give you a close-up of everything. and I'm going to leave you guys to it. Bye!